Hello, friend in YouTube. Now, we continue evolution to start list data from database and using controller. Okay, let's start to Laravel project. This is a database that we have created Laravel app, and I have created a table category. We have ID, name, status, create, hit add, and update add. Okay, so go to our form. I have a form, a category. Okay, I will extract data from the database to this form. So now go to project. Okay, this is your category for form. So the first we have created the category controller. Okay, I have go to index and I have create a query. I create a rival category for store table data from table category or the by ID ASC. ASC means ascending. Get means select guide or select all data from table category. Okay, after that I return to view. I return to category because category we have in view. Yes, this file. And compact means extract array from rival category, but right here we don't use the sign. We just put the name of rival. Okay, and then when you extract to category file, yeah, so now we need to write data for testing, extract it. But the first I want to debug. Okay, so now we need to debug. Debug, you can type dd in environment to check the category it's error or not. Okay, so I refresh it. Okay, so now I got a collection have array and I have ID, name, status, create, update. So the query is okay. So now I go to database and I insert one more name, technology. Okay, status determine active. Yeah, create today. Okay, go. Okay, go browse. So now I got two record. Yeah, I refresh it again. Okay, item array 2. I got 2 0 1. 1 is the last record technology. Okay, so it's no error in query. I command it again. Yes, so now go to the view file and we need to extract. Okay, t d t h t e. Okay, t d. Okay, no, now I say write code. I write php. Now I need the record number. La, I know, 1. Okay, then when we want to extract all, we need to use for each loop. Okay, add for each. Okay, we need to for each and you need to put array variable category here as là p I rename to value. Okay, so then I need to put t, or I need to put the value. I put the value number. You need to curriculum for echo the variable. Okay, simple this one. Okay, 3 ID home or name status. ID name is from value. Okay, $value and name. One more, $value field status, and the last one I get created at value created at. Okay, save, go to page, I refresh again. Got error. Okay, you can see portal error, syntax error. For you resolve category of black. Okay, the error on status. Okay, status. Go to status name status. Okay, refresh again. No error on status. Frenchman error. Line 34. Line 34. Okay, I forget to add the for each. So this is for each, and the last we need to add is add and for each. And for each. Okay, and then I need to use PHP to make record number is gone. +1. Okay, so now refresh again. Wow, well done. So I got the record number 1, 2, the name home, technology, status active. Okay, I change style from name. why no. Okay, why action style record. Try again. Okay, so now I add one more record in table. That I can take active. Okay, go browse. Now I got 3 record. Okay, I refresh this. Yes, it's 3 record also. So now we can get the value from the database. And okay, I see action, but this is that. Okay, need to add one more. Make a correction. This is created. And try again. Yes. Name status created action. Okay, so action we need to have edit and delete for this record. So next video I will show you how to edit and delete the record. Thank you for watching. See you next video.